Louis Armstrong was a great musician and a wonderful entertainer, uniquely individual with his trademark gravelly voice and huge smile. He had a difficult childhood growing up in New Orleans without a father and being raised by his mother and grandmother. But perhaps the most pivotal point in his life came when at the age of 12 he was arrested for firing a pistol into the air, and he was sent to a boys' home. It was a great stroke of good fortune that the musical instructor at the home recognized that he had talent, and he took him under his wing, teaching him singing and percussion. When he was released from the home, he quickly showed passion and skill as a musician and began performing in clubs in New Orleans. Early in his career, he picked up the nickname Satchel Mouth because of his huge teethy grin, and this was later shortened to Satchmo. His talent developed and he soon began touring the country, leading his own bands and gaining a huge following. He displayed a talent for improvisation in jazz and performed with all the greats along the way. He appeared in many films, of course, including High Society, where he performed Now You Has Jazz with Bing Crosby, and he even recorded one of the featured tracks for the James Bond movie on Her Majesty's Secret Service. There's always been some conjecture about how his Christian name should be pronounced. Go to my blog at www.moviemem.com to find the answer. Louis Armstrong, one of the all-time greats of jazz.
What a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful